Okay, now today I want to discuss in SQL structured query language remaining the lesson. Previous lesson stopped at how to use distinct keyword along with select statement to get different distinct values. Okay. So distinct keyword will be used along with select keyword to get different names. Means no any duplicates. We need so that moment distinct keyword will be used. Then after count function, I have briefed that within the count function, if I use distinct keyword, so it will return how many values are there. Count. It will count the different values. Okay. Next, let us try to understand where. So where is what? So here where class. So where class will be used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. Okay. So this where class will be used to get only that records if a condition matches. Okay. Until unless if the condition is not matches, it will not get back the records. It will not fetch the records from the database. Okay. So where class is used to filter records. Okay. Whenever if you apply for a condition, if that condition matches, then it will bring the records from the database. So syntax is where select all customers from Mexico. All customers, this is the we need to get select all customers from Mexico. So syntax select star. Star means what? Star wildcard, they are called wildcards. Star will be used for all okay, all data from which table? From customers table. This is the customer table that is created in a database, that is created a table. Customers is a table which is created in a database, means RDBMS. Okay, from that you want to get all what? All countries. Okay, which matches with the Mexico condition. Mexico is a country name. If this condition country is equal to Mexico, so that will bring all the records. Okay, let us say try to execute this code. What happened here? As per your, this is the code. Select star from customers means I want to get all records from customers table. So condition is this. Okay, if condition country is equal to Mexico, it will bring all the records in which country is Mexico. Now run this code. So see, all that city name is what? Mexico. Out of 91 records, only condition country is equal to Mexico. How many records found? 5 records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. Out of 91 records, only 5 records are matched the condition. Country is equal to Mexico. So only that Mexico country record will be extracted, will be taken from the database. So that moment where, as I told you that where it is a class. Where is a class. Suppose if you want to change this code, if you change this code as America, not America, Canada. Okay, Canada is a country. Let us see. So if you run, we will in place of this Mexico, if any Canada country record is there, that will be, so how many? This is the country Canada. Okay, 3 records are there. Just I have changed what? Canada. Okay, in place of Mexico, only 3 records are there. If I want to find out any record which is related with India, so run no record found. So for India there is no any record. Okay, all that records go back. Okay, this is the actually what we have used, where clause. As I told you that where clause will be used to filter the records as per statement, a specified statement. We will specify, we will mention a condition. So this is, suppose this is a condition. So whenever we mention a condition, so as per this condition, this where clause filter the records, okay, from total database and total table. If total table has 91 records, within the 91 records, any country is matching as Mexico, only that records will be extracted. Extracted means taken back from where database. Okay, next syntax, as I told, nothing, simple syntax is that select keyword you need to use, and within this we need to say column 1, column 2, column, so from table name. Okay, if you write like this, only 2 columns. Here I have used only star means all. Okay, here just I have written column 1, column 2, from table name, where condition we need to like this. Okay, this is the condition. So note that, what is the note, where clause is not only used in select statements, it is also used in update, delete. Okay, this where clause can also be used along with update, delete. Okay, so as per this, if we use, okay, column 1, column 2, so this is the condition. Okay, if we apply any condition, so this is what below is a selection from the customer table used in the example. Example is what, okay, column 1, column 2. Okay, now let us discuss operators in the where clause. We will discuss that. So in the where clause, as a where clause will be used to filter the records, that moment we can use the operator. Here greater than is an operator. So where customer ID is greater than 80. So as per this statement, so if customer ID is greater than 80, that record will be taken. If you run this, so customer ID, see where is the customer ID, this is the customer ID. So customer ID greater than 80, after 80 that records, whatever that records, only that records will be taken. So here this greater than is an operator. Okay, if I want to use here, so less than, if I use less than operator here, so only that records less than 80, last 79, 80, less than 80. What is the last 79? So less than 80. So this only last 79 record from 1 to all the records will be given. So these greater than and smaller than, these are called operators. So operators can be used along with where clause. Okay, to if we have given a specified condition where I have mentioned greater than 80, means that records which are greater than 80, they will be shown. That is one, that. So these are all the operators. The following operators, they is equal to, greater than, smaller than, greater than, equal to. These are all the operators. Okay, you need to understand them. Okay, next is what operators we have studied here. Actually, text fields versus numeric fields. So whenever we will use any text, so that is to be kept in single quotation marks only. Don't try to keep any text string in double quotation marks, because SQL will not allow, but other some RDBMS, relational database management systems, they will allow. Okay, some database RDBMS, they will allow the double quotes, but in SQL only you need to provide only single